Hi, my name is Catherine, and we are here today to learn about the order of operations, which is also known as Pemdas. What is Pemdas? Pemdas is also known as Please Excuse My Dear Aunt Sally, which is an easier way to remember it in your head. It stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. What we have to remember here is that multiplication and division has no particular order, so we use whichever one comes first. This applies for addition and subtraction too. Now, before moving on to our practice problem, we must remember that we have to use this order to solve the problem. Now, in this practice problem, I see that we have to use all Pemdas operations, which include parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So what do we have to do first? Well, I see here that we have two parentheses that we have to solve first. However, in the first parenthesis, I see we have an addition sign and a multiplication sign. So what do we have to do first? Yes, you're right. We have to do the multiplication sign. So our first step to this problem is to do 16 times 5 and 20 divided by 4. 16 times 5 equals 80 and 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Notice here how I didn't touch any of the things that I didn't solve, so I can move on to the next step easily. So what's our next step? Well, I see here that we still have some parentheses that we have to solve. So we have to solve 6 plus 80. 6 plus 80 equals 86, and now I see that we have no more parentheses we have to solve. So let's move on to our next step, which is exponents. I see an exponent here, which is 6 to the power of 2. 6 to the power of 2 equals 36, and now I think we can move on to our next step, which equals multiplication and division. I see one multiplication sign here, which equals 86 times 4. 86 times 4 equals 344. And we have no more parentheses, no more exponents, no more multiplication and division signs. So let's go on to our addition and subtraction signs. I see two addition and subtraction signs here. So remember, we have to go from left to right. Let's go on with 36 plus 344. 36 plus 344 equals 380. And now this leads us to our final step, 380 minus 5, which equals 375. Thank you for watching.